Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this really soft mauve glitter eye look. And yeah, I've been super excited because our channel just hit 100K. We are so grateful for each and every one of you guys. We actually were sick the day that we hit 100K, but we have a video coming out very soon just to thank you guys for all of your support and this huge accomplishment that we've made together. So jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using my Too Faced concealer like I always do, and I set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and this is what it looks like right here. And I'm obsessed with the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. They're freaking amazing if you haven't tried them yet. First thing I'm doing is going into this salmon shade with this big fluffy blending brush, and I'm just popping this into my crease, just doing circular motions and just kind of laying that color down. This is one of my favorite colors to apply as a transition color. It just goes with every single type of look, and I just think that it really makes your eyeshadow pop, and it's super subtle but still adds a pop of that blush shade. So after only applying one shadow in the crease, I'm grabbing this really small angled brush, and I grabbed my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just using this to carve my lid, and I'm just carving the first half of my lid. And as you can see, I brought it up pretty high in my crease just because I don't want to have any transfer, and I'm lightly setting it with some translucent powder since the lid is just going to be that neutral shade. And then I grabbed the same color that we popped in the crease, and I'm just starting to buff that onto the outer corner, just giving it a little bit more dimension. And then the next thing that I'm doing is I'm grabbing this glitter by Violet Voss in the shade Kiki, and I'm just applying that in my inner crease. And I did apply some glitter glue first. The glitter glue that I used was the Too Faced Glitter Insurance. And then I grabbed this cranberry shade with this small tapered brush, and I'm just starting to apply that onto the outer edge. And I'm kind of doing a smoky wing, but not very defined, so I'm doing it in a really blended way. And I think that it turned out really nice. And then I'm peeling off my tape, and I just applied it slightly below where I first applied it, just kind of using that line as a map of where to apply it. And then I grabbed this small angled brush and that cranberry shade once again, and I just drew a line. And then with this small angled brush, I first drew a line with glitter glue, and then I applied glitter over top, the same Kiki glitter by Violet Voss. Next, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Jamaica lashes, which is our lash company. I'll leave that linked down below. Next, I'm grabbing the same shade that we applied in our crease, and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line, and then grabbing that darker cranberry shade and just applying that to the outer corner. And then going in with my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner, I just grabbed my Pixi Beauty highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise, and I just popped that onto my inner corner. And then the last thing that I'm doing for this look, I'm just grabbing my spoolie and dampening it and running it through some bar soap and then running it through my brow. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Also, for the month of July, I want to announce the giveaway winner. She has already been picked. I already messaged her, and I'll leave the screenshot of the image right here. Stephanie Martinez is the giveaway winner for the month of July. So thank you so much to everybody that enters. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. We have a video coming for you guys on Monday, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys later. Bye!